Yeah, so one of our earliest investments in this space after Moleculo is a company called Zymergen. We were one of the first investors in the initial seed round. You know, the Zymergen team really showed us how biology, machine learning, and automation could open up markets far beyond healthcare for these types of technology and products. You know, one example, you know, the team there developed adhesives using biological derivatives that are similar to those naturally made by mussels, which is then significantly better at bonding strength than other adhesives on the market today. You know, so in our portfolio today, we've already made investments in companies where you're imagining large existing markets from B2B materials to clothing to consumer staples to food. You know, there's tremendous opportunity right now for companies building better performing products using biology, going beyond kind of the traditional diagnostics and therapeutics market. And we think we're super early in this shift. And the size of all these markets is really large in the kind of existing way today. You know, trillions of dollars in revenue each year, touching every person on Earth multiple times a day.